Hey guys, today I'm going to cook some ground beef, macaroni and cheese in the slow cooker. So let's get crocking. I have a pound of 93% lean, 7% fat ground beef in my slow cooker there. I use the leanest stuff I could find because I'm not going to drain it. And I'm going to add 2 cups of chicken broth. That's one. One more. So this will be for the macaroni noodles to cook in once this is all cooked. So I guess you could use any type of broth that you want. That's chicken, it's because it's what I had, but I guess you could use beef or any other kind you want really. So I'm just going to break this meat up and kind of mix it up here. That doesn't look like very much liquid, so I'm going to add a little bit more. So 2.5 cups of the broth. Okay. Make sure it'll be enough to cook the noodles in, and then we'll get the lid on there. And I'm going to cook this on high. And when the meat looks done, we'll add the macaroni noodles. It's been 2 hours. Let's see how this looks. Alright, that meat's all cooked. Kind of stir it up a little bit. And add my elbow macaroni now. Let's see. I'll add 1 cup and stir that in. One cup doesn't look like very much. I'm going to add another 1/2 cup, so 1.5 cups. Stir that in. And now I'm just going to get the lid back on and kind of keep an eye on it until those noodles are cooked, the macaroni is cooked, and then I'll mix in some cheese. It's been about 15 minutes, and I've been opening this up and stirring the noodles around a little bit once in a while. It looks like they're about done. They absorbed most of the liquid. Oh, I forgot to add any salt. I'm going to sprinkle in a little bit of salt. I tasted it and it was a little light on the salt, so we'll add some salt in there. And I'm also going to throw in a couple of handfuls of cheese. This is a cheddar blend. You can just use whatever kind of cheese you like. So we'll throw in a couple of handfuls of cheddar cheese there and mix that in. Let it all kind of melt in there. You can just kind of add as much cheese as you like. If you like more, add more. If you like it lighter, don't add as much. You know what? Maybe I'll sprinkle in just a little bit of milk too. A little splash of milk there. Alright, make it a little creamier. That's actually 1/2 and 1/2 because it's all we had. Okay. Just going to kind of get the lid back on and let that all melt, and then we'll try it out. I'm going to get all of this out of the pot. I don't want to leave it in the pot because that pot holds the heat, and I noticed if you leave noodles in the crock pot, they get mushy. They get really mushy. So I'm going to take all of this out and put it in a bowl. Alright, let's see how my Crockpot hamburger helper turned out here. Looks good. Noodles look cooked about right. It's cheesy. Let's try a bite here. That came out good. Has a lot of flavor and the macaroni's not mushy, so I'm pretty happy with that. Now we just gotta let Annie try it. I wonder if she can eat it off the fork. Here you go, Annie. There you go. Looks like it's Annie approved. Floor looking good. Well, that worked out good. I'll write the ingredients in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.